In front of me Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I'll show you all the box accessories inside our device box. So the first thing, of course, that was our device. In my case, that is the in blue color, oh sorry, in white color. And also here we got inside the SIM tool, and in this paper box we got the quick start guide and the warranty letters, I think, and also the USB-C cable, and no more accessories here, so only the SIM tool and the USB-C cable. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.